How to add photos on Yahoo Mail. So if you want to add photos on your Yahoo Mail, then what you need to do is you just need to simply launch your Yahoo application, Yahoo Mail application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you need to go with the pencil shaped icon which is on the top right, and you need to enter the address to whom you would like to send. And after that, go with your subject. And now if you want to add photos, then here on the bottom, you will have the photos option or attachment option. You can just simply go with the photos and allow photos and videos. Tap on allow and tap on allow all. And now you need to simply go and select any attachment and go with attach, which is on the top right. And the photo has been attached. Now you need to go with send, which is on the top right again. It might take a few seconds and your mail has been sent. So that's how you can add photos on your Yahoo Mail. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.